So what does a 5-in-1 stock split mean for Tesla? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. And I just want to do a very quick and simple video for current shareholders of Tesla. I want to give you guys a very perfect and ideal example of what is bound to happen when this reverse stock split takes effect. And one of the things that you guys first should know is that it is on August 31st, 2020, Central Standard Time, where it will take effect. And what does that mean as of right now? Tesla is valued, right before the split. If it's valued at $1,000 a share, you currently own 1 share of Tesla. After the split, you're going to have more shares, but they're just going to be worth less. Overall, they're still worth the same amount based off of your total number of shares. Tesla will then be worth $200, but now you will have 5 shares instead of 1. As you guys can see, the beginning balance, was $1,000 that you owned of Tesla. After the split, it's still $1,000, but you just have more shares and the price per share is just less. And a question that a lot of people are asking is, why would Tesla, just like following Apple, do this? One of the things that is becoming very popular is a lot of brokerages now are providing kind of newer investors fractional shares. So even at $1,500 a share, as it's pretty much trading at right now, even with fractional shares, it's still pretty expensive, right? But the intent with this is to make it more affordable for new investors. And one of the things that I want to make super clear is, let's be honest, new investors in comparison to huge cash management companies make a very small piece of that pie, right? It's great that they're trying to open the door and stay relevant with newer investors. And I really think that's where this comes into play. New investors focus so much less on market cap valuation, which should still remain the same, and so much more on the how many of you guys don't have $1,000 in your trading account. And because you don't have $1,000 or more than $1,000 in your trading account, you don't even consider Tesla as an option, right? Well, now, as it goes through this stock split, it's going to become more affordable. So now, even if you have less than $1,000, you will now at least be given the opportunity or the option, to be able to buy Tesla, because now the price per share is more affordable. On the fundamental side, this is no different, This makes no difference for Tesla itself. It just literally makes it more accessible for people that maybe don't have, as of right now, $1,500 when it comes down to the price per share. So it still caused the overall stock to push up. One of the things that we know about Tesla is when there's any positive news, it does a very good job aggressively pushing up. So during the aftermarket trading session, so the market is closed, it's already pushed up a little bit over 6%, which I think is great. But again, a little bit more on the overbought side in my taste, but I'm very excited to follow up with its overall progress. I did want to do a recap. Guys, I let you down, $299.37. My 5-day green streak is over, but I'm very happy that I still was able to manage my risk. Today went back and forth so many times. I was up on the day, I was down on the day, I was up on the day. I hit nearly $600. I had this whole video planned out for you guys, and then I saw this news of Tesla being released, so I just thought I'd make it kind of short and sweet. I still want to upload potentially that vlog. Let me know in the comment section if you guys think that I should upload that vlog. I'll save it and I'll upload it on a later day. It's kind of more of a day in life aside from just trading, the different things that I do throughout the day. But one of the things that I want to talk about is the biggest mistake that I made today is something that happened with TQs. I'm not too sure if a lot of you guys noticed, but on /NQ, there was a very aggressive drop. And during that very aggressive drop, I had an open position on TQs. It wasn't that it was super aggressive, but when it began to drop, it just aggressively began to drop. And because of that, I was already down on TQs, but this just dug me in a bigger hole that I wasn't able to get out of. Altogether, I'm still very happy with how I've been trading for the past week. Yes, I did end my green streak. Red days are inevitable. They're bound to happen, and that's one of the things that we have to make sure that we understand as traders, is that when we see things going south or when we see a break of pattern, that we at least do our part in managing our risk and keeping these losses small. So following up with my performance from last week and having those multiple $1,000 days and just taking one red day where it's a little under $300, I'll do that time after time. Let's let our runners run and let's keep those losses small. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. If you guys have any questions, please throw those down in the comment section. Don't forget to stay connected. We do run the largest Facebook group in the world. It's absolutely for free, and it's going to be that first link down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. Make sure you click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group, and we'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, team.